Good morning. Today is a very exciting day because we are finally putting on a side panel. The weather is finally nice enough that we get to do it, and I am very excited. Hello, ladies.
Hi, Willie.
Back at the bus. This is gonna be the cool guy shot.
All right, okay. Gotta get a panel up. Life in a bus.
I was gonna say life on a bus, but is that a thing? Is that it already? Is that already?
It's actually not, but they wanted like $250 for the domain name. So we just went with life in a bus.
Right, because you're not gonna be
Yeah.
on a bus, you're gonna be in a bus.
Yep.
It was like $10 for that one. So yeah, I thought that was really weird.
I haven't been down in your basement before. Oh my gosh, is this where you keep them?
What?
The prisoners.
I got like a bunch of nylon, like climbing rope. That's all we should need.
What do we have here? I knew it. This is an old. Why would you do
That one was like
why would you
at the
do
front.
that?
A little hole in it, make a whistle. I don't know. I didn't do that. I'm guessing somebody like had them hanging.
This is incredible because this is. Oh my God! There's spiders all over it. What the? Let's get out of here. I'm leaving.
There was one.
There was a baby spider and parent. I'm out of here. Out.
Okay.
All right. Good morning, people. We are back at the bus. Yeah! Tommy's neighbors probably hate me so much, but we're not here for that much longer. I just wanted to say, just a reminder to everybody out there that doesn't know, we are moving to southern Missouri in about a month from now, and we have to get all of the sheet metal up on our bus still. So we are in kind of a frantic hurry, and we are doing our best to just get things done. Today, Gabby and I are here with Tommy, and we're gonna put up one of the sheet metal panels. This is a trial run. We hope that the plan that we have set in place will work. This is a trial run today. Let's see if we can get it done. Tommy's getting ready to climb the bus, if you can't tell. He's got all of his climbing gear. Rope. We're getting that panel on today, Tommy. What's up? So what I do is I just watch Tommy get the bus ready.
Being a real creep.
This panel is going there today. Whee! Oh, nice. Our nice little. So what we might do, we have to have it this way, but what we might do, oh yeah, this one's probably over too far. I could be wrong, but this one's starting to fall right now. Should I like snap this over this way more?
No. Once we get it, just hook it on the bottom.
Okay.
Go over on the other side. You get here? Yep.
Okay.
And pull it tight.
Oh yeah, will you hold this here?
Yep.
Pull it tight. Here we go. That's it.
Okay. Can you latch it onto the tree?
Oh God. I got this up here, dude. Yeah, go ahead. Dude, I just want to look at it now.
Okay, you go over there.
Okay, but yeah,
it.
hold on. So we need to, you know what we, because what another thing I wanted to do is draw a line on
Just
the back.
make sure that's. I want to move this, so go check that out.
Well, no matter what, we got to pull it down, right?
Yeah. I just want to make sure like it's not just gonna fall.
I think that's gonna be perfect. I mean, I don't know. Oh God, on the back side of it, it's not in the right spot. But it doesn't matter, we still have to let it come down.
Right.
Tommy, you see how you have the thing go on the inside of there? It needs to go on the outside.
Okay.
That's all though, otherwise I think, oh shit.
You want to lower it?
Yeah, let's lower it and then we gotta pull it back up there. So I gotta make sure it goes through on that spot up there.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready. Or you don't need to do it because I'm super heavy.
Well, see, here's the thing now. It's wedged in there, so if I take the...
I'm gonna pull down.
Yep, there you go.
Alright, you're good. Just walk it down.
Hey, Ben.
Yep.
Remember when you said we needed a team of like 4 guys to do this?
Hey, I said to make it easier. I said to make it easier. Dude, you and I both agreed that we could do it together.
Yeah.
This is supposed to be a trial run just to make sure we can do it.
Okay, you good there?
Yep, on the
Okay.
ground. Yes, dude. This is totally gonna work.
I'm not sure about using that as an anchor
Because it needs to be behind it. You know what we could do is tie it to.
Put weight on this and then use that.
Okay. But yeah, so now I got to get the caulking gun ready, and we got to do some serious stuff.
Just taller for. Sure, it's in the kitchen
Oh,
right
you
now.
need to hand it to. Okay. And then I think the caulking gun's in the shed. Am I right?
Yeah, they're doing weird stuff.
Weird. Film them through the window, honey. See how we've weirded out Sherry with the kids. I'm just kidding. Don't. Tommy didn't say anything. Okay, so we need to cut the tip of this off too. I just realized.
There you go.
Tommy is just on point.
Or you can just whatever pokey thing.
Get on there. Little
How much do you
slit.
wanna cut off?
I think that's perfect. Everything you do is perfect, but I think that was extra perfect. Thank you. In one of the videos, I'm like, you're like, how is that? And I was like, oh, it's just great. It's perfect, Tommy. And I was like, I've watched that like 50 times since, and I was like, what the fuck was I saying? It's just perfect.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay. Okay, go ahead. We switched jobs out of nowhere. Push. Yeah, boy. Yeah.
Huh?
All right, keep it there for a second. All right, let's go back down.
Oh, great. There you go. And a lowering. I stepped in poop again, or is that still you? Oh, that's me now.
You stepped in poop. God.
Where was that poop at?
That poop's still there. All right, man.
Why did I step in poop?
I don't know. We're just.
Is that a condom?
Anyways, okay, so on the inside, I just realized one thing we didn't do is I need to rub that. Oh yeah, here's this. I'll just use this towel. I'm gonna run on the inside of there, and I need to caulk up in there too. So, dude, shut up. A lot of caulk is involved today. Lots of it. In a second.
Poop.
You know.
I hear you.
Today that is like the absolute least of my worries.
Hey, we all do it, right?
All right, pants up, a little moon towards the camera. It's my signature move. And,
That's how you know it's time to work.
okay, so I'm gonna hit these holes.
The best feed I've ever seen.
Beautiful.
You can do it. Pump this a little bit. until it starts coming out again, and then run a bead. You need to get it all the way to the edge there, and then just start running like a line, and just make sure it's touching
Like
this.
frosting a cake.
And then you just go across. You don't have to push it like too tight, but just make sure it's going in every single hole. It has to.
Yeah, it does.
I can't. Oh. I can't. That's exactly what needs to happen. She's actually doing a way better job than I was. I just didn't know if I should trust you with this job. I really didn't know. I've never seen you work.
Doing great.
Thanks,
Way
Tommy.
better than yours. Pull that lever back.
Pull this part right there. It's all good. Let go. You're good. Thank you, honey. I figured this is like some overkill, but this way we'll keep those panels together.
Yeah, it needs underbelly.
So I don't know. I read somewhere that like 1/4-inch beads was like a good size. Here, I can do it now.
Okay,
To
sweet,
finish it.
because my back is killing me.
Caulking is one of the dirtiest jobs.
It is. All right, let's do this. You need to make sure these straps are pushed out a little bit. Don't let the straps. See what I'm saying? Yeah, just make sure they're out a little bit. No. All right, go ahead, dude. Good, good.
Oh,
Too fast. Slow down.
You're good. Just keep going up. Honey, you get your hands off the top.
okay.
Just push it up from right in front of your face. Okay, now don't push out anymore. Let go, honey. Right there, go.
Oh, sorry. Oh, it's heavy.
Okay, stop pulling. Okay. I think that this needs to be held down a little bit. Oh my God, I cannot do this from here. You need to whack this thing right there.
There.
Okay, I think that we're just gonna have to go there. Hold on, just clamp this spot, honey. Clamp it right towards the top. There's a better clamp for that. And then clamp it right on the edge. You see what I'm saying? But clamp it towards the top. Can you do it? Oh, yes. Okay, keep that right there. Shut the f*** up, Tommy. All right, honey, I need you to hand me the drill that's in there. Is it hooked up to anything? Okay, good.
That was a total accident. But yeah, see, so.
Oh, perfect. All right, here we go. As soon as I get this rivet, here, honey, you gotta grab this. Oh my God, we don't have the f***ing rivets.
Where are they?
They're in the car.
Okay, I'll go get them.
Oh my God, Tommy, why'd you let this happen? Tommy!
I was over here smoking cigarettes, actually. I mean,
Were you really?
no.
Note to self, if you're doing this the way that we are doing it, oh my God, make sure that you're 100% prepped. We got this all up and everything needed to happen really time sensitively. And we realized we haven't even opened the rivets yet, so I haven't even looked at them. So yeah, I got my rivet gun out here though, and I got my drill and everything else, and everything's set up, but I need rivets. And there's my beautiful wife with the rivets.
Okay.
Can you get it
They're
cut
so
open?
heavy.
Oh, it dropped a little bit, son of a bee. Tommy, come over to this side and just, maybe you could just hold it up. No, it's pulling up on the other side now.
It moved?
It definitely moved. That side's pulling it outward now though. Now it's going like this.
Okay.
It needs to go,
in the right spot?
it needs to go up and it needs to go left now.
This box is like stapled shut.
I can't do this. This thing needs, oh my God. It's just not in the right spot anymore. I need to push this up. Maybe this thing so it's holding it down. Give me the mallet, can you? Did it move?
Yes, it did.
Woo! All right, whatever. I'm just gonna drill it again. I don't know how close it is on the other side.
Yeah, it was really close, honey.
Here we go. Fire in the hole. Ow! Now I need to go to the other end. This needs to go.
Hand it to me.
Use that.
You're doing great, honey.
Did you say I'm doing great?
Yeah.
Guys, please just talk me through this panic attack.
Oh God.
Oh, it touched your fingers. It's
I got
never coming
caught with
off.
my finger.
Not the first time.
Oh!
we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now everything else that needs to be pre-drilled right this second is on the inside of the bus.
You want me to drill through them?
Yeah, so I'm gonna push behind if you just tell me which one you're drilling through. Are you drilling through one right next to this? Drill through the one closest to this.
Yeah.
How about that?
Okay.
It's totally in reverse. Sorry.
Yeah. It was a good day.
I'm very happy. I hope you're happy. I hope you got something out of this today. Just so you know too, when we're done putting up all of these panels on our bus, we will make a video that goes through all of the costs and all of the materials needed, everything that it took to make this happen. We will go over it with you guys and make sure you have a better idea of what this takes to accomplish a job like this. So I hope to see you back here next time. Thank you very much. Have a good night. Bye.
We got a wall up. Our first wall is up.
Well, it's a panel.
It's gonna be a wall.
All right.